Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch video. Today I'm going to go over how to size your watch for a replacement watch band or watch bracelet. It's actually very simple. It can be really exciting to shop for new bracelets and new watch bands for your current watches if you'd like to replace them. But I'm going to go over how you actually size it to make sure that when you do buy it, the watch is going to fit. Shrody, you can't just, buddy, you can't just come over here and just disrupt everything I'm trying to do. Okay, you just can't do that. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to get into the video, but first I want to say, if you do like my content and you do get some value out of this, please give me the thumbs up and like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel, and I appreciate all of my subscribers and all of my comments and likes. So please, if you do have anything you'd like to add to these videos, just put it below in the comments. I will respond to comments, but I do appreciate all my subscribers and all my likes. So if you do like this content, give me the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. So without any further ado, I'm going to get into it. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to purchase a new band for this Chronosport watch. This is a watch that was made famous by Magnum PI. Tom Selleck wore this in the first 3 seasons, but I just put a temporary band on it because when I received it, I didn't have any band at all, so I'm going to purchase another band for it, and I just figured I'd go over how you actually measure it for a new band. So basically what you want to do is you want to have a set of calipers, which makes it the easiest. You want to make sure that you zero out the calipers to make sure that it's correct. So turn it on, hit 0, it'll balance it out, and then basically you just want to measure it from lug to lug where it would go, and it comes out to an even 20. So you'd want to buy a watch band that is sized at 20 millimeters. So now this one right here, same thing. If I wanted to buy another one, I would go from lug to lug, and this one right here comes out to be, this one's a little bit more difficult because I still have it on it. This one comes out to be 19 on the dot, 19 from lug to lug. Okay, and so I would purchase a 19 for this, and I actually did buy a 19 for this watch, which this is not the current band that it came with, or the current bracelet that it came with, so I did actually upgrade it to this bracelet, and it was a 19. So this one's going to be a 20. Now you say, oh, okay, Dave, what if I don't have one of these fancy schmancy digital calipers? Well, all you need is a ruler with a centimeter on it. Just keep in mind that when you, Shrody, bud, come on, man, you're just knocking things over, and seriously, buddy. Okay, so let's just say you want to use a ruler with it. What you're going to have to do is just make sure that you remember that each one of these centimeters is times 10. So when you do measure it, you just want to start at the first line, and you'll see it goes right to 2. 2 times 10 is 20. So you'll want to buy the 20 millimeter bracelet or watch band for this watch. And on this one, same thing. You line it up with the first line, and what does it come to? 19. You can see it right there. It comes to 19. Okay, or just under 2, and that will be times 10, which is 19. So 20 millimeter watch band, 19 millimeter watch band, and buddy, you're making it hard for me. Okay, so that's basically what you want to do whenever you're looking for a watch bracelet. It works with any watch bracelet. You just go right from the beginning. Okay, so this is a 20. So 2 times 10 is 20. And there you go. And if you're using the caliper that Shrody has knocked onto the floor, you want to make sure it's reset back to 0, and you just measure the inside width. The inside width, which is going to come, oh, I got it set to inches. So let's do it again. The inside width, which is going to be, in this case, just a little over 20, because the tolerances on this watch are not so great, but you'll still want to go with a 20 for this watch, okay? Because you're not going to find a 20.3 or a 20.2. So, and I mean, you can squeeze it right out and max it out, but you don't want to do that. So basically, once again, right from there to there, and it shows 2 times 10 is 20. So, if you guys have any more questions about how to measure a watch case for a new watch band or bracelet, leave them in the comments below. If you have any other questions on how to do anything else on a watch, let me know that as well. Until next video, Shrody says bye. Shrody's going to knock some stuff off the table here, and I will see you guys in the next watch video. Once again, like and subscribe if you like this content and you want to keep it coming. Have a great day. See you in the next video.